Hi guys, this is Devesh from 3D Vlogs. This is part 4 on Space Invaders using Pygame. Today we will focus on enemies. So let us see what we have till now. And here we have a spaceship which shoots out bullets, and if the y coordinate of the bullet gets beyond the 0, it will come back to the player's x and y coordinate. So let us do coding on the enemy. Enemies, I am going to use object-oriented programming. So class, enemy class, you can name it anything you want, and it is a Pygame sprite, pygame.sprite. After that a colon. Then we will define it. Define init and self. After that again a colon. Then we will initialize the sprite of this class. Then pygame.sprite init self. After this init we need to give 2 underscores. Now here comes the main part. We will give the image for the sprite. That means self.image equal to pygame.surface, and inside we will give the width and the height. I'm going to give 25 by 25, and we will give it a color. Self.image.fill with an RGB value. I will give white, 255, 255 and 255. After that we will get the rectangle from the image. For that we will give the statement self.rect equal to self.image.getRect, and this will give get the rectangle area of the image. In order to draw this sprite on the screen, we need to make a group. I'm going to name it enemy group equal to pygame.sprite.group. Groups are very important in Pygame sprites. And after that we will make an instance of the class like we did in bullet. So enemy object equal to enemy class. After that we will add the enemy object to the enemy group. Enemy group dot add enemy object, and this will add the enemy object to the enemy group. And now it's time to draw the sprite on the screen. For that we will give enemy group. We will give the group only of the sprite, not the instance of the class. Enemy group dot draw and the surface. That means the main surface is window. Now let us run the program. It got hanged up. Oh, there is a error. Self.image.fill invalid text. That's because we need to give 2 parentheses after it. Otherwise it will not work. Now let's run the program. And here we have a white square on the. Now that's done, let us move the enemy downwards. So another function inside the class, define update, and inside it we will give the x and y coordinate. No need of that. We want to give self. Then self.rect.y plus equal to maybe 2, and now we will call the function in the while loop. For that I am going to give a for loop for invaders in enemy group invaders dot update. And now let us run the program. There is an error. Okay, it is invalid. And now the enemy is moving down. Our next intention is to make multiple enemies in a row so that it comes down like the classic Space Invaders game. So let us do that. For that I am going to use a double for loop for row in, wait a second, okay, for row in range. First of all we need only one row, and inside the for loop we will another for loop for column in range and 1 6. We will copy down this, or we cut it and paste here, indent it, and for each enemy we will give enemy object dot rect dot x equal to 200 plus 50 into column. And same thing for row, enemy object dot rect dot y equal to 50 plus 50 into row and parenthesis, and I will make the group before the for loop and here. And now if we run this program, we will get 5 enemies coming down to the screen in one row and 5 columns. I am going to decrease the speed because it is so fast. Save the program and running it. And now it is perfect. It is perfectly going. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to share this channel. So bye bye.